Дорогие друзья, уважаемые поклонники смешанных боевых единоборств, представляем вашему вниманию трехраундовый поединок в полулегкой весовой категории. И в синий угол приглашается спортсмен из Российской Федерации. Приветствуйте, Александр Дурыманов!
You're watching MMA Series 17 Blacksmith, live from Anapa, Russia. Brought to you by the Football Sports Network and seen around the world on the Clash TV app. I'm the NM16 Butlin, and this next contest is a featherweight contest. Making his way down to the cage, the man I mentioned earlier as a star of the Forge team here in Krasnodar. This is Alexandr Durymanov. Durymanov has a record as a professional of 10 wins and 6 defeats. He's had 6 of those wins by KO and TKO. Big, explosive puncher. Also got 2 submission wins on his record, and his losses only come by decision. He doesn't get stopped. This is a real tough, strong man. Durymanov, one of the stars of the Forge fight team, who puts on this Blacksmith show, along with the man I've mentioned a few times, Viktor Kolesnik, who you'll see in the main event later on.
Узбекистан. Встречайте, Бахтиер Юлдашев!
So his opponent making his way down to the red corner for this featherweight contest, Bakhtiyor Yuldashev. Yuldashev with a record of 3 wins and 3 defeats. Win coming by a rear naked choke. He has been stopped with strikes, but again the majority of his fights and losses going to the decision. A good, solid contest between 2 well-rounded professionals here at featherweight. Durymanov will be wanting to make a real show in his hometown. Try to get that 11th win on his professional record. Remember, you can download the Clash TV app if you haven't already, and keep this interactive. Score the fights, clap for your favourite fighter. Discuss who you think's winning. I'm scoring as I go along. You may not agree with me or ask any questions. Halfway through the card here, and still so much more to come in Anapa, Russia.
Итак, господа, это трехраундовый поединок в полулегкой весовой категории 65,8 килограмм. Представляем оппонентов. Спортсмен в синем углу. Ему 28 лет, рост 163 сантиметра. Профессиональный рекорд. 10 побед, 6 поражений. Он представляет Российскую Федерацию. Город Краснодар, клуб «Кузня». Приветствуйте, Александр Дурыманов! Его соперник в красном углу. Ему 26 лет, рост 175 сантиметров, профессиональный рекорд. 3 победы, 3 поражения. Он представляет Республику Узбекистан. В красном углу Бахтиер Юлдашев. Рефери поединка Андрей Ковалевский.
You're watching MMA Series 17 Blacksmith. I'm the NM16 Butlin, and we have Durymanov in the blue, Yuldashev in the red. Watch for Durymanov coming from that short, stocky stance with powerful come-forward strikes and ground and pound. Working the side-to-side head movement as he will back up Yuldashev, I am sure. Yuldashev pouring out that jab now, giving Durymanov something to think about. Durymanov steps forward. He likes to move in and out, side to side with his head. with a lot of forwards pressure. Durymanov with the jab, and Yuldashev looking to counter. Catches and counters with 2 shots. That was good work there from Yuldashev, who's certainly given Durymanov something to think about there. Caught the kick, clean 2 shots down the middle. So sharp counter there from Yuldashev. Durymanov still coming forwards. Left hook, right hand. Again, Yuldashev was waiting for the counter. This is definitely good work. Yuldashev has given Durymanov something to think about early on, and he's slowed him down. This isn't the Durymanov we expect. Certainly giving him something to think about early on, which I think is very good tactics. Just floating that long left arm, using that for distance. Will Durymanov think to just walk through that? He's only using it as a rangefinder to put Durymanov off. At the moment, it's keeping him at distance. Lead left hook there. Didn't have much in it, but landed on the button. Durymanov hesitating slightly here as he backs up, closes the distance. That was a big left hand there. I think he off balanced more than did the damage with the shot, but it landed clean. He's burst the nose there of Yuldashev, who's looking to clinch. Nice knee up the middle from Durymanov. Will Durymanov, now he's seen a dint and he's put some damage in there. Will he start to close the distance and throw more? He is looking a little hesitant. As he smelt blood, he lands another left. And again, it's that left hook. As soon as he steps in distance, he needs to follow it with the right hand now. Try to land 1, then 2. Swung the left hook there. .90 seconds left in this first round. Yuldashev had a good start with the counters. Hasn't really thrown much since that left hook landed that broke the nose. If you're watching at home on the Clash TV app, make sure you clap for your favourite fighters. As we go, another left hand there. Durymanov had a big overhand right then rather than the left. Body kick comes back from Yuldashev. Yuldashev throws the left hook around the head, but he was doing it to looking to clinch rather than throw it to land. So 9 strikes landed each, equal amount thrown, but the damage, the heavier shots, certainly in my book, are from Durymanov. Again, Yuldashev with that long left hand. Switches then down to the legs. Picking up the leg. Into the clinch, front headlock. Again, looking to work the knee. Gets the trip, gets the takedown. Will he look to take the back, or will he just look to ground and pound till the bell? 9 seconds left. Big suplex to finish the round. With the even striking we saw on the points, I think that will just put the icing on the cake for the scoring for round number 1 for Alexandr Durymanov. Here fighting at home in Krasnodar. Those punches landed a little short there, but it was the big left hook here that rocked him down. Broke the nose, I believe. Dropped him down. He was up quick. Fair play to Yuldashev there. He was up back to his feet, but with blood streaming from the nose. And there's the big suplex. Great work. Again, even round there on the strikes, but I think on paper and all the judges' scorecards, that will be a clear win for Alexandr Durymanov. The seconds out. They'll be in there clearing up the nose. Medics still having a look at that. There, they should have been out by the end of the round. I don't know if there maybe is a problem. Even if they're doing medical work, generally they should have got out in that minute. At the corner thinking to stop this fight. It did look like the nose was broken from that shot. This is much more time than he should have to recover. I don't think he wants to go out for the next round. His body language is telling a story there. This fight could be over. So, good first round, solid first round from Alexandr Durymanov. Is it enough to stop the fight? He's had much longer than a minute there to recover. But I think they're still going to let this fight continue. How long will Bakhtiyor Yuldashev want to carry on once the punches start throwing? He did not look to me like he wanted to come out for round number 2. If I was Alexandr Durymanov, I would be stepping on the gas and looking to try to force a finish here. We know that's his usual style. It was put off in the first round by that lead hand and the counter punching of Yuldashev. But now he's put a dint in him. Will he step on the gas? Durymanov blue, Yuldashev red. It's a featherweight contest at MMA Series 17, round number 2. That was at least a 90-second rest, I believe, for Yuldashev there between rounds 1 and 2. As he's pouring out with that jab. Durymanov looks to close distance. Is he looking to get the takedown and ground and pound from the floor? Driving in against the fence. 1 minute gone already in this second round. Yuldashev holding on but not really working. This is defence. Looking to work the overhook. Defend the takedown. I think Durymanov looking to get around the back, which he has. We'll look for another suplex. Yuldashev looking to put his arm over, defend as he did in the first round. They're big punches in the clinch there now. Dirty boxing from Alexandr Durymanov. Knee to the body. Really bent over Yuldashev as it landed. Big shots going in. Yuldashev on pure defence here. Blood pouring from the nose. Look how disheartened he looks. Punches racking up. As the blood drips from the nose of Bakhtiyor Yuldashev. I believe he's ready for the taking here if Durymanov can step on. The ground and pound here now. The referee must be looking on carefully. There's not much coming back. And if Durymanov can put together a combination of strikes here, a flurry of punches, he's got the guillotine. This is going to be a finish, I think. It is 10-finger guillotine finish there from Alexandr Durymanov, who took out Bakhtiyor Yuldashev and advances to 11 wins, 6 defeats.
Директор парк-отеля «Лазурный берег» Антон Харченко. Давайте поддержим аплодисментами нашего гостя из Узбекистана. Мы желаем скорейшего восстановления. Ваша травма не оказалась серьезной. Уважаемые поклонники смешанных боевых единоборств, на 3-й минуте второго раунда удушающим приемом одержал победу спортсмен из России Александр Дурыманов, Краснодар, клуб Кузня.
Big submission win there for Alexander Durymanov. Alexander Durymanov dominated this featherweight contest in front of his home crowd. Strong clinch, big punches in the clinch, did huge damage to Bakhtiyor Yuldashev. And then he got the 10-finger guillotine finish, forcing the tap there from Yuldashev, who could not breathe from his neck or from the bleeding nose.